Hello guys. So our today's topic is how to know what I needed. So let's talk how anyone can find out their own desire and what they need to purchase something or to claim something. So we have to talk about that. Okay. So very first thing, give at least 5 minutes to yourself. Make introspection. What is introspection, right? So okay, let's answer this question. Introspection, it means feel relaxed, close your eyes for 5 minutes and think about your achievements. Think that what you have, actually what you have, and what is your desire. And in this deep thinking mode, you can find most reliable thing, means what is your desire, right? And what kind of things you needed, what kind of items you have to buy, right? So you can find these kind of tools are things you actually needed to buy to claim something, right? So you can do through making introspection. And the next is see around you and see surrounds you and find that what you have, what you needed, means if there is a any kind of, let's talk about some plastic items, right? So there are many home decors, right? And when you see any e-commerce business or e-commerce platform, you will find that there are many e-commerce, many home decor items, right? But you have to choose a few items. I can say a few items you have to select it, right? You cannot buy all things, right? So that is what is your desire. What is your desire, what you want to actually claim. You have to find it, and all if you have a relaxed mind, then you can make it easily, because it's easy to claim, right? The next is you can ask to someone about your desire and about the product, right? So it means like it's really awesome that you can say some to anyone, what is your desire, what you want to buy something, what do you think about it, it's good or not. So you can make conversation with someone, little conversation,